Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Desi Murgi. Start by cleaning and cutting about 1 kilogram of bone-in chicken into medium pieces. Next, marinate it with 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Incorporate 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili, and coriander powder. Mix everything thoroughly to coat the chicken evenly. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for infusing deep flavors into your Desi Murgi. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 4 to 5 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add 1 cup of finely sliced onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown and soft, which takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Then, stir in 1 more tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Finally, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Cooking, and once you are in the language and region section, you will see the currently selected language displayed. Click on this current language to reveal a comprehensive drop-down list. This list contains an extensive array of supported languages from around the world. Take your time to browse through all the options. When you find your desired language, simply click on it to make your selection. It's a straightforward process to pick exactly what you need. For the final touches, uncover the pot and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes to allow the gravy to thicken to your desired consistency. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Taste and adjust the salt if needed, and add a few slit green chilies for an extra kick. Your flavorful Desi Murgi is now ready. Serve it hot with fluffy rice, warm roti, or soft naan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.